Hi guys and girls, My Space Secrets here. It is Thursday the 12th of August 2010. Now, I seen last night headlines of CNBC, stocks have fallen more than 2% on recovery worries. Well, since the release of our newsletter, it looks like we've sort of starting to see a little bit of a warning sign here. The Dow Jones actually tumbled 2% today. I will put up a chart of that in a sec. There we go. We are still experiencing light volume on the market, and investors here and all across the world are still worried about the global economic recovery. Following yesterday what happened, the Federal Reserve and Ben Bernanke with their grimmer outlooks and the softening growth in China, which is now pretty obvious. It's quite funny that even after we released our newsletter, we have been writing about this for a long time. I've been posting here on YouTube for a long time. My good friends here on YouTube and the many wonderful subscribers that I do have. But at the moment, it's very interesting to see what is happening. Let's take a few seconds to have a look at some stats. The US dollar is battling for resuscitation because it's been going down 9 consecutive down weeks in a row, down 9% since June. The US Treasury yields are making record lows on the short end of the curve, with 2-year yields striking 0.49%. The S&P 500 is down below its 200-day moving average. It's a common signpost for the health of a market, either positive or negative. It's in that negative sentiment again. The US VIX meter, or volatility index meter, is spiking from its recent stability. And in Japan, long-time quantitative specialists found the markets closing down again, which makes them down 11.9% for the whole 2010 year to date. Now, we have seen these problems coming for many years, people, and we know this stuff was on the way. We're just seeing, all we've seen is the government lie and prop things up. That's all. And it's safe to say that if the government doesn't do anything drastic, which they've pretty much done anyway, we're going to head for an even bigger downturn, much worse than we've seen, since the Great Depression. If you're watching these videos for the first time, please, I beg you to prepare. The economy at the moment is set up around a big lie. The financial experts out there that get paid to go around and spruik about how good things are and the economy coming back and will improve is just a falsehood and a massive big lie. And I can't tell you what to do with your money. I can't tell you what to do with your job, but please, if you're listening to this video for the first time and don't like it, just make sure you help each other out and be prudent with your money. Now, I hate sounding like being a broken record here, as we've been onto this for a long time here. I just want to help people out, and I don't really want notoriety. And just have a look at these YouTube videos. A YouTube video here with a clip of a monkey at a zoo farting in a kid's face will get 23 million views. But these sorts of videos, the important stuff that must be brought to people's attention, get what, maybe 1, 2, 3,000 views? And people just don't care and don't seem to understand. But I've got to say, it's well worth it, because even if I help one person out, it makes all the difference. And there are so many cool people here on YouTube, my subscribers that listen, and there are so many people out there of you to thank. Julie Kerr, Richard Atkins, thank you guys, you know who you are, there's too many to thank. The undercurrent of what I'm getting at is, I guess, many people can feel a lot of changes coming too. A lot of people out there feel it. But I think at the moment a lot of people are unclear, and they're basically simply reacting to things instead of trying to understand it. More people are becoming enraged, there's more road rage, people are having disagreements with each other, there's more accidents, there's more tragedies. And that reacting to this shift is basically because most people don't understand what's happening. That's the most frustrating thing. It is the shift that I'm talking about. And that basically sets up for a choice in people where they must make a choice between doing the right thing or taking a darker path. And change is never easy. Change is an individual thing, I guess. But, there are big shifts coming. It's going all on around us at the moment. And one tiny part of this, is the massive financial regulations and shifts and changes that we're going to see coming, and that I constantly write about to help others prepare. You know, there are other things and other topics to mention too, like our world, our earth, the government, families, and many other things you can read about at our website, forecastfortomorrow.com. But I'm sure you're starting to see now the transformational shift we're seeing at the moment. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for joining with me today. Thanks for listening and watching and rating this video. Keep your chin up, enjoy, and I'll talk with you all soon. Have a great day. Okay, bye-bye.